GRANALU is a European benchmark company in the manufacture and development of aluminium semi-trailers. Leaders in national manufacturing and pioneers in performance and efficiency, with the widest range of solutions for professional transportation. We produce safe, attractive and light vehicles which ease the daily life of our customers thanks to their competitiveness and profitability. The Gaijaro family, entrepreneurs since 1984, laid the foundation stone of GRANALU. Both first and second generation have pursued the same dream, to offer the best product and service to our customers. In the last 25 years we have manufactured more than 15,000 units. We have a wide range of aluminum vehicles, tippers, moving floors, platforms and bespoke semi-trailers. The Omega range, an exclusive patent license, is the most innovative vehicle in the sector. With an optimal design for tear structural strength ratio, is synonymous with profitability and technology. All without forgetting ergonomics, because a workplace needs to be comfortable and safe. We make the planet a better place, creating sustainable solutions to reduce carbon footprint, such as Omega design itself, which reduces consumption by 3%. Our production line is able to manufacture 1,200 units per year. We apply the most rigorous quality procedures and we work with the best suppliers. The factory design is focused on continuously improving quality standards, safety and reliability. Professionals in the sector speak of the GRANALU sensation, extraordinary handling, comfort and safe vehicles. We also offer countless options for customization. Our commitment does not end here. In order to meet every customer need, we count with an extensive commercial network, authorized dealer centers, the GRANALU repair shop, and our rental service GRANALU Rent. Always in the background, yet on the front line, our exceptional team is ready to serve and advise throughout the lifetime of the vehicle. That is why we are leaders in national sales, and we are present in more than 20 countries. Therefore GRANALU is for you. Pioneers in technology. Leaders in performance.